Hello students. Yesterday I explained you what is LCM, what is HCF, and for the given numbers, two or more than two, how to find the LCM and HCF. Let's check how much you learned yesterday. So this is a question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. There are 10 parts. So first of all, in the first part, we have to find the LCM and HCF of 10 and 20. The same thing we have to repeat. Okay, so 10 and 20. First of all, we will write this 10 in prime factors. In the form of prime factors, this is 2 into 5, and 20 is equal to 2 square into 5, because 20 is equal to 4 into 5, and 4 is 2 square. Okay, so LCM, this will be the product of the highest powers. Highest, here it is 2 square, 2 is present in both, 5 is also present in both, but with the same power, so we will use this. So LCM is 20. And what about the HCF? HCF is lowest powers present, so HCF is 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 means 10. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer of part A. Let's talk about the next one. B. 20 and 30. So 20 is equal to, we know that 2 square into 5, 5 to the power 1. But what about 30? 30 is equal to 10 into 3, 3 into 10. So 10 is equal to 2 into 5. So it is actually 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, 2 to the power 1, 1 and 1. So what is LCM of 20 and 30? This will be highest powers taken. So 2 is present in 2 square into 3. Here 3 is 0, 3 is 1. So 3 to the power 1. Got my point? Here 3 is to the power 0. So we have to take the highest. This into 5 to the power 1. So this is 2 square, 4 into 5. Sorry, 4 into 5. Yes, 20, 20 into 3, 60. 60. And HCF will be lowest powers. 2, 1 prime numbers with lowest powers. This lowest degree. So 2 to the power 1, because here it is 2 square. 2 to the power 1. 3 to the power 0 means no need to take it. And 5 to the power 1. So this is 10. 10 is the right answer. Okay. C part is 30 and 40. So 30, 30 is into 3 into 5 to the power 1, and 40 is 20, the double of 20. This is 20, this is 20, double of this. Double of this means multiplied by 2 means 2 cube into 5. Okay, therefore LCM will be 2 cube into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. This will be 8. 8 into 5, 40. 40 into 3, 120. 120. HCF is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 0 means 5. So this is 10. Got it? These are the answer. Next is 40 and 50. 40 and 50. 40 and 50. 40 is 2 cube into, uh, wait, 2 cube into 5, not 3. Yes, into 5. And 50 is 25 into 2. So this is 2 into 5 square, because 2 into 25, 25 is 5 square. Okay. So what will be LCM? LCM of 40 and 50. This will be 2 cube into 5 square. So we can directly do 2 cube 8 and 5 square 25. 25 into 8, 200. 200. HCF lowest powers 1 1 10 10. Okay. So E E part. So 40 50 50 and 60. 50 is 2 into 5 square, means 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1. 60 is, what was 30? 32 to the power 1. So 2 square, this will be 2 square into 3 into 5 1. Okay. Or simply we can find out, it's not a big deal. So LCM 2 square into 3 into, and okay, 2 square into 5 square. Okay, because highest power is 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25, 25 into 4, 100, 103, 300, 300. And HCF in this case also, lowest possible powers this, and this 5 into 2, 10. Okay. Next part is 60 and 70. 60 is 2 square into 3 1 into 5, and 70 is 35 into 2. So this is 2 into 5 into 7. Got it? Okay. 2 into 35, and 35 is 5 into 7. That's it. So LCM, okay, highest powers into highest, here it is, and 5 and 7. 1. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a huge number. 2 square 4, 4 into 5 20. We can multiply with 3, but it will give a weird number 12. And so okay, 4 into 5 20, 20, 20 into 7 140, 20 into 7 140, and this 4 420. And that's here, you can see 2 1. And here the lowest power of 3 is, in this case, is 0, so we will take this, means 1. And 5 1, and 7 0, here it is 7 0. Okay, so 2 into 1 again, so 2 into 5 again, this is 10. Answer. Got it? F G part. Okay, so G part is 70 and 80. 70 is again 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1, 7 to the power 1. And what is 80? 80 is 2 to the power 4 into 5. Because 40 we can see clearly that 2 cubed into 5. So for 80 is double of 40. So into 2, यानी कि 2, 2 4, 2 to the power 4 into 5. LCM. LCM. So for LCM, highest powers 2 to the power 4 means 16. It is 16. 16 into 5. 80. 80 into 7. 80 into 7. 560. 560. And HCF 10. Okay. Answer. H part. H part. 80, 90. 80, 90. 80 is 2 to the power 4 into 5. 90 is 2 into 45. 2 into 45. And 45 is equal to 9 into 5. 9 into 5. And 9 is equal to 3 square into 5. See, this is 90. 90 is 2 into 45. Okay. Or 2 into 45 means 9 into 5. Or 2 into 9 means 3 square into 5. This is how we do it. Okay. Now HCF. So LCM. Okay. First LCM. LCM. LCM is simply highest powers. This is 16. 16 into 9 into 5 or 16 into 5. 80. 80 into 9. 80 into 9. 720. And HCF. As in every case. 10. Answer. I part. And this is the second last part. 20 and 40. Okay, so he accidentally calculated this sum. Okay, 10 into 30. I think you can solve all these questions. I part is 30 and 50. 30 and 50. 30, 50. Okay, let's calculate this. This is again 30 is 2 into 15. 15 is 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5. And 50 is equal to 2 into 5 square. LCM. This will be highest powers taken 2 into 3 into 5 square. 5 square is 25. 25 into 2. 50 into 3. 50 into 3. 150. And HCF. Highest powers taken 2 into lowest powers 2 into 5. 10. 10. Answer. And this last one I remember 50 and 100. So again 50 is 2 into 5 square and 100 will be double of this, means 2 square into 5 square. So LCM will be highest power 2 square 4 into 25 100. And HCF, you can see lowest powers this lowest powers 50. Is it really highest common factor? Okay, this time 50. It will be 50 because 2 square into 5 square it will be 4 into 25. 50. No, 4 into 25 100. Okay, wait, lowest power, sorry, 2 into 5 square 50. Yes, 50. 50 is the right answer. Okay, so one more thing. So this is the solution. These are the solutions for different questions. But one more observation I would like to explain. You may have observed, may or may not, but there's one thing common in all these solutions, in all these questions. LCM of 10 and 20 is 20 and HCF is 10. What is the product of these two? 200. And what is the product of these two numbers itself? 200. So product of these two numbers is equal to product of LCM and HCF. So we can say A into B is equal to LCM of A comma B, A and B, into HCF of A and B. Got it? In the first question, it is valid. Let's check now second one. 20 into 30. This is 600, 600, and this is also 600. Again true. Again true. In the third one, you will check. This is 4 into 3, 120, 1200, and this is also 1200. Again true. Again true. And in every question, you can check it. So we can say that for any two numbers, we can say here I will conclude it. For any two numbers, for any two numbers A and B, A into B is equal to LCM into HCF of A and B. Okay, that's it.